10 little crazy taxis driving in a line. One saw a giant puddle and yelled, "This one is mine."
He went splash right through the water and drove off with a laugh. Now there are 9 little crazy taxis.
9 little crazy taxis running a bit late. One tried a shortcut through the park gate.
He swerved around a bouncy ball and zoomed right past the swings. Now there are 8 little crazy taxis.
8 crazy taxis.
What a silly fate.
One saw a big ramp and shouted, "This is great."
He went woo and jumped up high and waved right at the sky. Now there are 7 little crazy taxis.
7 little crazy taxis doing funny tricks. One started spinning round just for kicks.
He went spin, 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 so fast he got dizzy at the last. Now there are 6 little crazy taxis.
6 little crazy taxis.
Happy to be alive.
One started dancing the taxi jive.
He wiggled left,
He wiggled right,
and honked with all his might. Now there are 5 little crazy taxis.
5 little crazy taxis speeding by the store. One started honking a song.
Honk-a-doodle-doo.
He honked so loud and funny, he ran right out of gas.
Now there are 4 little crazy taxis. 4 little crazy taxis.
Crazier than before. One chased a seagull down by the shore.
He yelled, "I'm going to catch you," and chased it on the sand. Now there are 3 little crazy taxis.
3 little crazy taxis.
What'll we do?
One drove up on the sidewalk. Beep, beep. He wanted to buy ice cream and parked right by the door.
Now there are 2 little crazy taxis.
2 little crazy taxis racing in the sun. One tried to race an airplane.
I bet that I'll have won.
He looked up high and zoomed ahead and drove right off the map.
Now there is 1 little crazy taxi. 1 little crazy taxi all alone in blue.
Where did his friends go? He didn't have a clue. He looked all around.
Then beep, they jumped out from behind.
Now there are 10 happy crazy taxis.
Hooray!